extension S-I-O-N or T-I-N.
Good afternoon, HMV Sheffield High Street.
Hi there. I'm looking for a CD. I'm not sure of the name of the artist, but I know that it's called "I'm Gonna Wind You Up."
Right, I'll check for you, bear with me.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
I can't find anything on our system with that title, I'm afraid.
Could I give you another one that they do?
Yeah?
It's called "Have You Not Worked It Out Yet?"
Right, bear with me.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hello.
No, I'm afraid not.
Nothing at all.
No, nothing.
I'm just trying to think. Pass me that piece of paper, please. Sorry. Are you alright to just check for a couple more?
Yeah?
Sorry. The other one is "I've Got Nothing Better to Do."
Okay. And what was the other one?
Can you be a bit quicker next time?
Right, and you don't know who the artist is, but they do all the albums?
Yes.
Right, bear with me.
Thank you. Hello?
I'm sorry, all our systems are frozen, so I can't do any more searches at the moment.
You're joking.
No, sorry.
So, and it's not bringing anything back at all?
No, it wasn't when I checked the original too.
What was, how did you type it in? What did you search for?
I searched for the titles you gave me.
Oh, right, okay. No worries. So what was your name again?
Sorry, I didn't give my name.
Did you not? Do you want to?
No.
You could win a car.
Could win a car.
Yeah?
It's Carla.
It's what?
Carla.
Carla. Alright.
Yeah.
Did you not click with any of the titles, Carla?
Did click with the titles, yes.
Oh, right, okay. Because the next one I was going to ask...
You were very serious, so I didn't know what to do.
I know. Well, the last one I was going to ask you to search for is Have You Not Clicked Yet?
I got it after the second title.
Alright then.
Alright.
See you later, Carla.
Thanks.
Bye.